Today I'm going to be reviewing this Rubik's Cube set. It cost me $30 and I'm going to open it and see how it is. Okay, so up. Okay, so open it, and what I see is first this. I think these have directions in them. Directions on how to solve the different Rubik's Cubes. Okay, that will be helpful. And then we have 2x2. The mirror cube thing. Another one of those cubes, and then this is this cube. I think this is a Rubik's Cube. It's in like a different kind of box. Oh yeah, 3x3. Then we have this one. Then we have the triangle, I think. Yeah, triangle. And then the 4x4. Okay, so first I'm going to do the 2x2. Okay, so open it up. Okay, so there's 2x2, and then there's this in it. I think these are directions to solve it. And there's also directions right here. I think inside here there's also directions to solve it. So let's try out the cube. Okay, it's really, really smooth. It's like really smooth. I'm used to the 3x3, so it's a little bit smaller than I'm used to, but I can tell it's really smooth, and it's just really nice, and it's very quick. I will have, yeah, this is pretty good. It's better than I expected. So yeah. The 2x2 is good. Now for, I guess, the 4x4. So open it. So it's really tight inside it, so it kind of, it's hard to pull out. Oh, this one has directions, I guess, too, on how to solve it. Okay. It's getting a little bit stuck but I think I just need to get a little bit more used to it, maybe. It's definitely really smooth. It's definitely smooth. I just need to get it used to it kind of being big. But yeah, this is pretty good. So yeah, and it's really smooth. It's a little bit big, I feel like, but I guess it's just a 4x4, not a 3x3, so I guess that's to be expected. And then now, triangle. Okay, so let's see. So another directions, I guess. And then, okay, now triangle. It's also smooth. I think all of them are probably going to be smooth. It's a little bit hard to turn, but it's really It's really smooth and really good. In my opinion, this is a really good cube right here. Well, it's not really a cube, it's a triangle, but yeah. Okay, so now, okay, let's do the 3x3 now. Okay, so, but, see, it's really tight fit. These are like the smallest boxes ever, in my opinion. Okay, so, this one also has directions, but I already know how to solve it. Oh man, this is so smooth. Oh man. Oh, this feels so good. It feels a little bit different than my other one. It's from the same company, but it feels a little bit different. But it feels really good. Okay, I really like this one right here. Okay, now for guess the mirror cube. So I take it out. Oh, this one comes in like a wrapping. It also does it come with directions? No, let me check. Maybe they came with directions. Did they fall out? Oh yes. Is this it? Let me check. Okay, I think these are the directions. So there are also directions inside this. So yeah, probably take, okay, there. Okay, so, whoa, that was cool. I did not expect that. I've never done anything like this before, so this is really interesting. It's really smooth, in my opinion. It's very weird, but yeah. So yeah, I don't really want to mess it up right now because I don't know how to solve it yet. So yeah, it's also mirror stuff. So yeah. Next one is, okay, this. So this one comes with directions maybe. Okay, no. I think they're in this manual probably. So now this one. Ooh, this is cool. Also kind of weird. But it's smooth. I can tell it's smooth. You can corner cut. So yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, I think I have 2 more, or maybe 1 more. Yeah. Okay, so now for this one. Okay, this is pretty big. It's a little bit different than what I'm used to, but because it's just like kind of circular more. But it seems to be very smooth, work very well. It's just not what I'm used to because I'm used to like the 3x3. So, yeah, but this is pretty cool, and it has some different colors because there's more sides, like pink and gray and stuff. So this is pretty good. I have this one now. Okay. This is the last one. Okay. So now I have this. Okay, so this is really smooth. I'm not really used to this, but it's kind of smooth. It's really smooth. I'm not really used to this, but yeah. It's definitely smooth. What I think are the cubes are very good, judging by me feeling they all feel like the same. And I think the 2x2 is the 3x3 and the 2x2 is very good, and those are the ones I'm normally used to, so I'm pretty sure they're all pretty good. They feel good to me. They're very smooth. So yeah, that's it for my unboxing and reviewing of these Rubik's Cubes.